Hi, my name is Sean Patton. I'm the CEO of Savvy, and we are applying today for the Mountain Rose Restoration Grant. And as you can see here, we are working on our aquatic butterfly garden habitat project here in Palmer Ranch. This is a variety of native aquatic wetland species, many of which are either host or pollinator plants that we're using on these islands to help remove nutrients from the soil and the water and fight back against toxic algae blooms. We are asking for the full funding for the grant in order to help continue this project, where we can support a variety of college-aged interns who are going to be working on this project to help continue doing this vital research into reducing nutrient pollution and providing habitat in urban communities such as this. Take it away, Nancy.
Hello, my name is Nancy Perez. I'm one of the interns that was selected by the Cross College Alliance, working here with Sean and the Floating Island Project. So basically, like he said, we're here to help fight against the toxic algae and red tide, and also provide habitat restoration for the pollinators and for birds, as well as many insects and that stuff. So I'll take it away to Charles.
Okay, I'm Charles Reath. I'm a resident of Mar-a-Lago, a board member here, and also on the Lake Committee. In fact, chairman of the Lake Committee. And Mar-a-Lago is one community within the broader Palmer Ranch. And I could not speak with more enthusiasm about Stalking Savvy and this whole effort. It has actually made me, as a board member and the chair of the Lake Committee, look very good, because everybody is excited about the project. The community has engaged, not only enjoying this as a beautiful resource, but starting to appreciate the relationship between vegetation, the algae, and the ultimate destiny of this water if it is overnourished, if it carries too much nutrient, getting down in the bay. So it's like made mini ecologists out of the residents of this village. Fabulous team.
All right. So thank you for listening to us. We hope that we'll get your support and funding. And as always, thanks for Stalking Savvy.